Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Jones. I am a researcher here at CASCADE, where we have a new project funded by the Nuffield Family Justice Observatory. And the project is about measuring children's wellbeing in the family court. At the moment, we don't have any way of knowing how children who go through private proceedings are doing after the court process ends. So this project is about understanding that. Private proceedings are where a family member, a parent, a carer, maybe a grandparent, go to the family court and they ask a judge to make a decision about where children spend time and who they live with. We want to develop measures to understand how children are doing after the family court process finishes. And we want to do that with people who understand how that process works and who have experience themselves of going through the family court. So we're putting together two groups, a group of young people with experience of private proceedings and a group of parents to help us develop these tools. This matters because the number of children going through the family court is increasing in England and Wales. So last year, about 90,000 children went through private proceedings in the family court. That's about the capacity of Wembley Stadium, if it makes it easier to imagine. And we know very little about what happens to those children afterwards. We have no way of asking them how life is, how are they sleeping, what are their relationships like at home, what's it like to live between two households if that's what's going on for them. If you'd like to get involved with the study, we'd love to hear from you. We're looking for parents, carers, children and young people with experience of going through the family court in private proceedings. There's lots of different ways of getting involved, whether that's joining one of the groups that I mentioned earlier and helping us co-develop these tools, or whether it's testing and giving us feedback on the measures once we've developed them. If you'd like to find out more about this or ask us any questions, our contact details are on this page and you can get in touch.